We'll guide you through how to factory reset your HP laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. When you go and do this, it's going to go and remove everything from it. All your files, all your apps, all the settings are going to be removed and reset. Perhaps you want to go and sell it, or you just want a fresh start yourself. We're going to guide you through this. You can do it whether your laptop's currently shut down or where it's currently turned on. So mine is currently turned on. If you want to keep anything, make sure you go back it up to cloud storage, or you could go and connect a hard drive or USB and do it. Then we can press the Windows Start button and go and press the power button to the right and go and press shut down, like so. If yours is already shut down, that's fine as well. Now, what you want to do is we need to come onto the keyboard and you want to go and find the power button and F11, as you can see. So we're going to go and hold these both down like so. Go and wait till you see the power button you can release, and then just start pressing the F11 key. Just keep on pressing it. Shortly the screen will come on and you'll go and see the HP logo. I'm still pressing it, as you can see. And then it should go and enter in recovery. You're going to know it's entering because it will go and say, please wait. So you can then go and stop while it goes and launches. It shouldn't go and take too much longer. And here we are. So it's going to go and say, choose an option. What you can do is go and find the option for troubleshoot, and you can go and click there. And you can then press reset this PC. It lets you choose whether to keep or remove your personal files and reinstall Windows. I want to remove everything, so I'm going to click there. To do this, we do need to go and enter in the recovery key in this case. It's going to go and tell you where you can find it. You can go onto another device and you can go to this web address to go and get it. Let me enter mine in now. If you're asked for it, enter it and press continue. Then you can go and choose cloud download or local reinstall. I prefer local reinstall. It saves us to go and download it again. Go and wait while it goes and gets things ready. You can choose if you want to just remove your files or go and fully clean the drive. Use this if you're going to go and recycle the PC. So I'll choose this option here, and then it's going to go and take us to the next step. It then says, are you ready to reset this device? This can't be undone. Make sure it's plugged in. Mine already is. And it's going to go and remove all personal files, remove any changes made to settings, remove all apps and programs that didn't come with the PC, and go and reinstall Windows. So when you're ready, you can go and press reset to go and start the process. And that's it. When it's complete, it'll be completely factory reset.